443. How to be blessed. Chalcedon Report number 373, August 1996. According to the Arabian Nights, King Shahryar, on discovering the adultery of his wife, cried out, "Only in utter solitude can a man be safe from the doings of this vile world. By Allah, life is naught but one great wrong." Repeatedly in history, men have come to a like conclusion, with devastating results. The world is indeed a fallen world, and full of evil. The Bible tells us so, in case we are under the illusion that man is naturally good. But we are forbidden to dwell on that fact, or to see the study of evil as a solution. The church in Thyatira was studying, quote, the depths of Satan, or the deep things, the hidden conspiracies of Satan, and for this our Lord rebuked them sharply. Revelation chapter 2, verse 24. Majoring in the study of conspiracies leads to ascribing more power to them than is their due, and it results in forgetting the predestinating and providential power of God, and this is a fearful sin. Men, like King Shahryar, forget that they too are sinners. Giving too much power to sin, they become themselves evil and heartless. Too many people today excuse their indifference to Christ and his requirements of us by saying, "It's a dog-eat-dog world," by which they mean, I have to be one of the dogs. Ours, however, is a providential world of God's creation and ordering. All things work together for good, for us as a called of God. Romans chapter 8, verse 28. But all things do not work together for us if we are evildoers. We cannot neglect God and expect his blessing. There was an old story about a man who demanded entrance into heaven because he believed he was a good man and had gone to church. When asked what he had done for the Lord apart from going to church, his answer was vague. When asked what he had ever done for his fellow man, he said he had once given $1 to a beggar. Peter's command was, "Give him $1 and tell him to go to hell." He had neither grace nor works. Well, the world is full of men who are evil, and the daily paper proves it. But the world is also full of the glory of God, even as the waters cover the sea. The whole earth is full of his glory. Isaiah chapter 6, verse 3. Contrary to King Shahryar's, life is naught but one great wrong. It is God's creation. It moves to his purpose, and it leads to our eternal victory in him. The glory of God thunders in all of creation, as the Psalms tell us, because all things move to accomplish his sovereign will. Life is a battle between good and evil, not a holiday, and to expect it to be easy is a certain way to making it difficult. Modern man has an easy life basically, but his proneness to whining makes him incapable of enjoying God's gracious gifts. Not until man stops majoring in evil and begins enjoying God's grace and mercy will he be blessed.